Boss Baby and the brothers.
Breaking news, this just in, ladies and gentlemen, we just have found beautiful and wonderful birds. Let's talk about them, shall we? Blue jays are the first bird we are going to talk about. Here are some fun facts about them. They eat nuts by holding them down with their feet and cracking them open with their beaks. And they also imitate the scream of a hawk. The next bird is the American robin. Here is a fun fact about them. American robins are one of the first birds to lay eggs in spring, and also baby robins learn to fly 2 weeks after hatching. The next bird we have found is the cardinal. Here are some fun facts about them. Cardinals are known for their beautiful, cheerful songs, and also cardinals eat seeds, insects, and fruit. The next and final bird is the eagle. Here are some fun facts about them. There are over 60 species of eagles in the world. And the other fact is eagle eyes are large and weigh nearly 10 pounds, similar to human eyes. Birds need food, such as worms, bird seeds, and much more, but here is Ben giving all of the birds bird seed.
Feeding the birdies. You like it? You like feeding the birdies? Yeah, birdies are gonna come back when you're gonna be done, buddy.
Motorcycle. What's that?
Benjamin, I love you. Cheese. Or seeds? Seeds. Benjamin. Ben. I love you.
Fishies. Fishies. No.
Finish scooping.
No phone. No.
Oh, it's because of the... Oh, this is so cool. You're scooping the seeds. Slowly but surely. Get more. Scoop, scoop. Come on, so close. Come on, you got it.
Black.
Ben, look. Look.
Fishy. 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 Mommy, look. Fishy.
Wild dog in her premises.
Boss Baby and the brothers.